going on, guys? So right now we're underneath my 330i that I just picked up. This is just a cheap toy slash cheap daily driver for right now. And one really common issue with these is the subframe, where it goes ahead and mounts up to the bottom of the chassis of the car. There's sometimes some cracking. So we're gonna go ahead and I already got the car jacked up just a little bit. Anyways, let's get under the car and see what's going on. Alright, so this is gonna be the driver's side rear bushing like I just showed you. As you can see all the way around, there's no cracks of any type. So this one's totally good. That one's totally good. So the driver's side is done. And then if you look over here, we got the passenger side. Some more light in there for you guys. No cracking over here. None down there. See up top. Nothing. Try and look in that crevice right there. Nope, we're good. So this one's good. Last but not least, we got the passenger side front. Yeah, this subframe is definitely ugly, but it's still good. You know, it is what it is. Okay, so the subframe is good. The bushings are good, but I think I found the play in the back. This axle here. Hear that clicking noise? I think that's the issue. Might need a new axle. I swear to God, there is no better feeling in life than getting a box of new car parts. In here is a new steering wheel for the BMW. The one on the car right now is literally the worst steering wheel I've ever seen. Even Rocket agrees with me, don't you? Okay, yeah. So anyways, the leather on the other wheel is destroyed. I went on eBay, I got this for 50 bucks. It's basically the same M Sport 3-spoke wheel, but this one is in great condition. And it was super cheap, so let's go ahead and unbox it and put it on the car. Alright, so here's a quick look at the old wheel. As you guys can see, it's absolutely horrible. Leather is completely falling apart. So this one's definitely too far gone. Anyways, this wheel is super weird. I'm going to link a video to a very good explanation of how to take this specific wheel off. It's got some weird, like, clips in the back that you guys stick a regular screwdriver through and push a pin out. It's super weird. I'll link the video down below. So that's going to be a 16mm nut holding the center of the wheel on. Make sure it's straight, obviously, before you pull it off. And then just go ahead and you'll be done with the old wheel. Set that thing on the ground. And then grab the new one. And it's just as simple as centering it back up. There's a couple connectors you got to get out of the way before you can slide it on. Boom. There we go. Snapped right in. Sorry for the focus. Snapped right in. Hell yeah, this leather is in way better condition. So really excited to put this all back together and show you guys the finished product. And there you go, guys. That is the new wheel in my 330i. It looks so much better. Just definitely helps this interior look way better overall. This was $50 again. Obviously, it did not include the airbag. That would have made it way more expensive, but you can just find the outer rim and then watch a video like I did, and it's a few bolts, and then you throw the new wheel on and your interior looks way better. So I'm super happy with that, and it was a great little upgrade for cheap. So I hope you guys got some good information out of this. Once again, I will link the full tutorial that I used online. That guy made a great video, so go look at that video, and thanks for watching. More BMW content to come. Really excited to show you guys all around this car, but here it is, and talk to you guys next time. Peace.